respect your father and honor your mother. I want you to prove to me beyond my reasonable doubt if this I have to say is not truth. Is only your father can tell you the truth behind the scene, the way he lived his life in youthful age, all that concerning the atmosphere in his life. Only your father can tell you the advantage and disadvantage in this life. Onya ka ndị be anyị sị na ife ọbụla okenye tukwu na wee fụ gị nwa bụ nwata irigo enu akpa n'ọjị ịma mfụ ya. Do you know that the way our fathers lived during their old age, they may always advise you, Nwam, that place you are going will bring the end of the doom to you. Mgbe ọbụla okenye bidoro saying all these narrations about the kind of life you as his son or daughter is living, mmalụ na onweghị uru dị n'isi azụ. Nwoke ji ngwuru ga-agwa ụmụ ya nke bụ eziokwu ụdị o si wee bi ndụ, ma nke dị mma ma nke dị njọ, ụdị o si wee kpa ike, ụdị o si wee mee all manners of things. But your mother cannot tell you all this. Highest, you will start painting the rest. Onweghị nne nwere ike ịgwa nwa ụmụ ya ụdị ndụ o biri, ma nke ọma ma nke ọjọọ, ma ndị ji ọgwụ ekechie nwoke, ma ndị ji ebe dibịa dị iche iche ka ha nwee ike ime gịnị? Itinye di ihe n'okpuru fa. Ije ụwa siri ike. But honor your mother. Don't provoke her. Whatever you see that is contrary to in your family, as a children, always bring your views, your mind, your thoughts to them. But the father is always stand as a pillar in that family. Akpasune na gị iwe. Whatever you want to do to make them happy in the land of living, please, as a son or daughter, do it so that they should give them their final blessing before they return to the hand of their ancestors. Agbusi aka ọha n'onu. Ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ mbọsị mbụ ka ị na-afụ m, nnọọ sonyere m ma gbasara m ozi. Don't hesitate to go inside my YouTube, subscribe and on your link notification bell so that anytime you come across my post, ị ga-egere ya. Aka m bụ onye nke gị bụ Maazi-UC. Ndewo.